New to Agile equipment, we have the DashClean B300 80-litre wet-dry industrial vacuum. This strong suction vacuum is great for liquid extraction on water damage jobs, as well as normal dust extraction for when work gets messy. This vacuum has a powerful 3-stage 3000 watt motor set up for maximum suction, ready for the big jobs. Just be careful, as most GPOs are only capable of 10 amps, so it's best to use this machine with only 2 vac motors. Still plenty powerful for water suction, as you'll see soon. This powerful wet-dry vacuum has an 80-litre capacity and is bagless. It also features a cloth filter to capture any solids in its extraction. It has a sealed vacuum pressure of 294 millibar, which helps it gives it powerful suction capable of efficient water extraction. To empty this unit, simply take out the outlet nozzle, remove the tip and place it down. Gravity will do the rest. Rotating it off its frame will ensure you get all the water out. A highlight feature of this unit is its strong metallic surface and sturdy frame with its 2 caster wheels at the front and large wheels at the back. All of this combined makes the B300 a joy to use when extracting and when moving from place to place. This unit comes with a 38mm vacuum head, a 2-part wand with bends, a narrow nozzle for hard to reach places, and a complementary 38mm suction brush for dust extraction on various surfaces, all of which have their own slots on the vacuum. You can find the B300 on our website under the equipment category vacuum section. If you have any questions, you can hit us up on the website in the chat function, or you can call us or pop into our showroom to have a chat. Thanks for watching.